Okay, here we go. We're going to go over a couple of the drawings from the skill set that we have from skill set 1. Because some of you all look like you would like to go by step, okay? First thing you're going to need to do is go to the big letter, the red letter A, click it. Then you'll need to come down here to drawing units, Check your drawing whether or not it is in decimal or feet and inches. I'm going to keep this architecture because that's what it will be. Then I'm going to come over here to annotate, and I'm going to check and make sure my primary units are architecture. So they match my drawing units with my dimension units. Then my text, I will go ahead and make sure it says 1/4 of an inch. And my symbols and arrows, I will make sure it is 1/4 of an inch as well. Okay. Then I will do OK and close. Then I will type O snaps, and I will make sure my object snapped is on and my object snap tracking is on. And these three are check marked as well as intersection. And I will come over here to polar tracking and make sure it's on and do 15 degrees. You wonder why we do the polar tracking? Well, it's simple. If we do a line, you see the the green dash line? Every 15 degrees it shows up for me. So if we were over here, it's at 0 degrees right now. Then we go up, it says 15 degrees, then 30 degrees, 45, 60, and then 90. Plus it helps us to identify that we have our line straight, because it will always show us 0. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a line. Okay? And I'm going to draw that line 8 inches. Okay? Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at my circles. Okay? Right here. And you need to understand whether or not it's a radius, which is half of a circle, or its diameter. We are going to do diameters. So I will put it at the end point where it found it, and I will put 1.5 inches. And then I will do another circle, and I will put it at 2 inches. Okay? Maybe 2 inches is a little bit small. So let's do the circle again. And let's go ahead and let's put it at 2.75 inches. Okay. Now, we also need a circle in the middle, and we are going to make that circle in the middle 5 inches if it'll work out. If not, let's go ahead and we'll put it at 4.5 inches. Now, I'm not going to need to draw the other circle that I need over here, because all I'm going to do is type mirror, and I will grab these, and I will tell it from this center point, and I will rotate it around, and it's drawn. Now I will draw another line that will go from here straight up. And I will move this line, find the midpoint, just attach the midpoint here. I will copy it from here using the center to center. Now I can draw my line that goes from here to here. I can trim using this one here. trim this. Okay, I can break this line here, and I can trim it. And I can delete this line right here, this line right here, and this line right here. Okay. Let me delete those. Right here. Done. Nope, we're not going to stretch. We want to delete them. Okay. Now, we wonder where how we can get this on this side. All we need to do is tell it mirror, select these and this, and we know that we have a center point of that circle there, so all we got to do is place it. Okay. Now we could also trim, maybe. See if we can trim it here to here. Nope. Let's see if we can trim it here. Do trim. No. So what can we do to trim that? What if we went ahead and we put a line here and we moved it back? Now could we trim it? Yes, we could. So this shows you the trim command and the mirror command, how they work. So then I want to mirror that over here. Okay. So I will go straight up. And now I want to trim this one right here. And now I can delete this one and delete this one. And then you say, well, where's the circle that goes in the middle? Now I can just simply place my circle in the middle. And it is complete.